Everyday Informal Spanish for Chatting with Family and Friends, Part 1. This lesson follows on from reflexive verbs made easy. You'll use the same structures from that lesson and some new ones, but this time they'll be in the informal form of Spanish. Let's begin. Say to get going.
Irse,
Just like in the last lesson, use the formal Spanish and say you have to get going.
tiene que irse,
Listen to how you say that informally.
tienes que irte.
Two things to notice. First of all, the pronoun changes from
Se,
to,
te, tienes que irte.
and the verb changes from the formal,
Tiene,
and we add an S to make the informal.
tienes. Tienes que irte.
Say informally, you have to get going.
Tienes que irte.
Say formally, you want.
Quiere,
How would you say informally, you want?
¿quieres?
Ask, do you want to get going?
¿Quieres irte?
How do you ask formally, when are you going?
¿Cuándo va?
How would you ask that informally? When are you going?
¿Cuándo vas?
Ask, when are you going to go?
¿Cuándo vas a ir?
Ask, when are you going to go to Mexico?
¿Cuándo vas a ir a México?
Ask, when are you going to get going?
¿Cuándo vas a irte?
Say formally, you need.
Necesita.
Add an S to the verb to make it informal and say you need.
Necesitas.
Ask, do you need to go?
Necesitas ir.
Ask, when do you need to go?
¿Cuándo necesitas ir?
Ask, when do you need to get going?
¿Cuándo necesitas irte?
Reply, I need to get going.
Necesito irme.
On Friday.
El viernes.
Ask, when do you need to get going?
¿Cuándo necesitas irte?
Reply, I need to get going on Friday.
Necesito irme. El viernes.
Ask, at what time?
¿A qué hora?
Do you need to get going?
¿Necesitas irte?
Ask, at what time do you need to get going?
¿A qué hora necesitas irte?
Continue speaking informally and say, you have to get going.
Tienes que irte.
Reply, yes, I have to get going.
Sí, tengo que irme.
Ask, do you want to get going?
¿Quieres irte?
Reply, no, I don't want to get going.
No, no quiero irme.
Ask, when are you going to get going?
¿Cuándo vas a irte?
Reply, I'm going to get going tomorrow.
Voy a irme mañana.
Ask, when do you need to get going?
¿Cuándo necesitas irte?
Reply, I need to get going
Necesito irme.
before the Friday.
Antes del viernes.
Because I need to be
Porque necesito estar
in Spain
en España
on Friday.
el viernes.
Ask, at what time do you need to get going?
¿A qué hora necesitas irte?
Reply, I need to get going
Necesito irme
before 1 o'clock.
antes de la 1.
Ask, at what time do you need to get going?
¿A qué hora necesitas irte?
Reply, I need to get going before 1 o'clock.
Necesito irme antes de la 1.
Say, you have to get going.
Tienes que irte.
Say, you have to get going soon.
Tienes que irte pronto.
Because
¿Por qué?
informally, how would you say you have to get up?
Tienes que levantarte.
Say, you have to get up early.
Tienes que levantarte temprano.
Say, tomorrow you have to get up early.
Mañana tienes que levantarte temprano.
Say, you have to get going soon.
Tienes que irte pronto.
Because
¿Por qué?
tomorrow you have to get up early.
Mañana tienes que levantarte temprano.
This is the end of part 1 of Everyday Informal Spanish for chatting with family and friends.